How to change iCloud account on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. You can view and manage your personal information, sign in and security, payment and shipping, subscriptions and other account settings from here. On this page, go to Sign in and Security. Go to the Email and Phone Number section. The email addresses and phone numbers provided here can be used to sign in, verify your identity and help recover your account. They can also be used to reach you with iMessage, FaceTime and more. Now, tap on your iCloud email address from here. If you want to change this address, then tap on Change Email Address below. Tap on Change and Remove Email Address to confirm. Note that you will no longer be able to use this email address to sign in or send and receive emails. You have successfully changed and removed this email address from your phone. You can now add another email address on iCloud. Following these steps, you can easily change iCloud account on iPhone.